Windows Global Support. How to troubleshoot a PC that won't turn on. For all versions of Windows. Step 1. Hold the power button down for 10 seconds. Then release and press the power button once as you normally would. Step 2. Verify that the power cord for your computer is plugged in securely. Step 3. Desktop computers use a universal power cord that can be found at any electronics store. Step 4. Test the power supply. If you feel comfortable doing so, remove the case of your computer and locate the power supply. Step 5. Replace the power supply. Make sure you are properly grounded as you work. Call now to get rid of computer problems. Global Phone Support. 1-800-857-2133. Windows Global Support.